Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to download Microsoft Teams on your Windows or on your laptop. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, to download Microsoft Teams on your laptop, simply follow my steps. As you can see here, go to your browser. Okay guys, don't worry about the link I will put in the description below. So here guys, in the Google search engine, type Microsoft Teams download. As you can see, okay, the first one, that's it. Okay, here guys, as you can see, download Microsoft Teams. So click here in the button download for desktop. Okay, also download Teams. Okay, as you can see here in the lower left corner, wait to download this software. Okay guys, as you can see, it's finished. Click open file in the left lower corner here. Okay, open file. Okay, as you can see, installing Microsoft Teams. Okay, also guys, as you can see here, a desktop icon appear. Okay, now guys, you can sign up for free, or if you have an email address, sign in address here and sign in, and you can benefit from all services from this software, Microsoft Teams. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.